Today we're diving into a problem that many ReactJS developers encounter while working on their projects. The issue at hand revolves around deciding whether to implement the useEffect and useState hooks in a specific component called TableCellComponent. This component receives a value as a prop, which can be either primitive or non-primitive. Inside the component, there's a function called renderValue that switches between different types of values and returns the corresponding element. The question is it necessary to use useEffect and useState in this scenario, or is a simple function enough to render the element? In analyzing the solution provided, it becomes clear that in this case, implementing useEffect and useState is not required. The renderValue function is executed only once within each TableCellComponent, and there are no updates happening within the component itself. Since there are no network requests or asynchronous operations involved that could cause screen painting delays, there is no need for useEffect. Additionally, the component does not handle state updates internally, so useState is unnecessary as well. Any external state changes will trigger a re-render of the component with the updated values. In summary, when working with a TableCellComponent and deciding whether to use useEffect and useState, it's essential to consider the specific requirements of the component. In this particular case, where the renderValue function is static and doesn't require any internal state management, opting for a simple function to render the elements is perfectly sufficient. This approach keeps the component lightweight and efficient, ensuring smooth performance without unnecessary hooks cluttering the code. So, next time you're faced with a similar dilemma in your ReactJS projects, remember to evaluate the specific needs of your component before reaching for useEffect and useState. Stay efficient, stay coding, and until next time, happy coding. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.